Okay, everybody, unboxing of the GoPro Max. All right, subscription service from GoPro, gotcha. Intuitive directions and stickers, gotcha. Oh, these stickers are really good if you want someone to steal your GoPro. Just put them on your car. That way people will break into your car and steal your GoPro. That's just if you're into that. Let me see what else. Oh, how to use the protective lens covers. All right, awesome. Have questions about the product? Awesome. It should probably be one page that says search YouTube. It'll answer all your questions. All right, okay, cool. It probably says that someplace real small print. It just says search YouTube over and over again. A whole bunch of times. That's probably what all it says. All right. Anyway, let's go on to the next part. This should be lens covers or something, probably. Oh, it's separate bags, separate pockets within a bag. Okay. There's two pockets there for the lens covers, and then I guess the GoPro can go in here. That must be what that is. Oh, okay. So that will go in there. And then it's got the lens covers already here. And then it's got the screen, or the lens protector's already on it. Awesome. Okay, gotcha. Screen protector on it, lens protector's on it. Comes pretty protected. We've got cables for charging. We've got the battery. Which is not the same size as the Hero battery. Okay, awesome. Another mount. As you heard, my 2-year-old is in my 7-year-old bed and has poopy in a diaper. And that's the 4-year-old, soon to be 5-year-old. All right, helmet mount or sticky mount. And then
my name's Chloe.
And then the locking screw or locking bolt. Awesome. So that's it. All that stuff comes out. That probably goes in the trash. Good to go. And you got your box. And that is what you get with your GoPro Max. I'm super pumped. Kids are super pumped too. All right.